Rooms comfortable. Good touring base or for local diving facilities. Welcome to the Hotel Aqua, a historic gem in Portland, United Kingdom. Nestled in the charming town of Portland, United Kingdom, the Hotel Aqua offers a delightful retreat for travelers seeking comfort and convenience. With its rich history dating back to 1920 and a recent renovation in 2011, this three-star hotel seamlessly blends old-world charm with modern amenities. Located just 15.2 kilometers from the city center, the Hotel Aqua provides a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Step into the grand lobby of the Hotel Aqua and be transported to a bygone era. The hotel's timeless architecture and elegant decor evoke a sense of nostalgia, while the friendly and attentive staff ensure a warm welcome. With 25 well-appointed rooms, each thoughtfully designed to provide a comfortable and relaxing stay, guests can unwind and recharge in style. Check-in at the Hotel Aqua begins at 2 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and make the most of their stay. The spacious and tastefully decorated rooms offer a serene sanctuary, complete with modern amenities such as flat-screen TVs, complimentary Wi-Fi, and cozy beds. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the Hotel Aqua has everything you need for a memorable stay. Families traveling with young children will find the Hotel Aqua to be a perfect choice. The hotel's child policy allows children between the ages of 0 to 12 to stay free of charge, making it an affordable option for families. The hotel also offers additional amenities such as cribs and high chairs upon request, ensuring a comfortable stay for the little ones. As checkout time approaches at 10 a.m., guests can bid farewell to the Hotel Aqua with cherished memories and a desire to return. Whether you're exploring the stunning natural beauty of Portland or venturing into the nearby city center, the Hotel Aqua provides a convenient and welcoming base for your adventures. Book your stay today and experience the charm and hospitality of this historic gem in Portland, United Kingdom. Unwind and immerse yourself in entertainment at the Hotel Aqua. At the Hotel Aqua, we understand the importance of providing our guests with an unforgettable and entertaining stay. With a range of exceptional entertainment facilities, we ensure that every moment of your stay is filled with excitement and enjoyment.